I'm James Bloomer from Bloomer Transport out of Grafton in New South Wales. My father, Mark, started Bloomer Transport in 1993. Now we've got 51 trucks, primarily focused in general freight and container transport. The way we operate our fleet is we have a lot more trailers than we have trucks, and we use that in a rotation to keep the fleet moving. When we came up for renewal with our previous provider for tracking, the Queensland government had changed their legislation. Basically, for any of our PBS combos that we were using in Queensland, we needed onboard mass. It's important for us to have a solution in our PBS vehicles that any number of prime movers could use without any extra requirements from our drivers or from our trucks. We already had right-way scales across our whole fleet, and V-DAQ could use those scales straight away for the smart onboard mass. It meant we didn't have to change scales out of which it would have been a huge cost, and we can have literally anyone hooked up to it within minutes and ready to go. And at the same time, we were looking at doing our own technology options instead of having a one-size-fits-all, and V-DAQ fit in with that. So we use Gearbox for our maintenance software, and we also use Hubfleet for our electronic work diaries, which we found through our account manager at V-DAQ. You're able to cross-check data without actually making any more work for your team. So we received the tags all very quickly within 3 days of going ahead with V-DAQ. You have the tag, and you have the wiring system that's provided by V-DAQ, and that just goes straight into your fuse box, piggybacks off another fuse. There's no need for an auto electrician to install that, which saves you time and money. Anyone in our business really could install these in our trucks. Huge benefit of going with V-DAQ is that we were changing our trucks to the V-DAQ system in 15 minutes while the truck was getting serviced, while it was unloading at our yard. There was no downtime with them. We were able to call Joel and Steph while we were doing the installations for any hiccups. The most valuable feature for me personally and for a few of our operational staff is the app. Being in trucks, and especially in general freight and container transport, you have to have real live data to be doing things efficiently. If you don't have the data readily available to you, whether it be on your phone or on the desktop, you can't make decisions on the fly. From an operational side, our geofences are great. We have geofences set up inside geofences, so you'll have a customer site, but we know where the loading bay is, so then you'll have another one inside that. So it's without having to call a driver, it'll show up there, entered loading bay on our geofence. So it saves a phone call to the driver, and we can give information to our customers on the receiving end very quickly. On an account side, we use them a lot for figuring out time on site, or even if a job's hourly, you're able to quickly see when the start and finish of that job was without having to spend time looking through the tracks, which we were spending lots and lots of time on previously. Working with V-DAQ is great. There's so many choices to be made as a transport operator. It's just great to be able to have flexibility in the technology you put in your truck.